No feedback row exists yet, so target medium is unknown. I can see the daily challenge UI and a cookie banner blocking the lower area, so I will accept cookies first. Then I will focus the search field, pick a strong common baseline title from the dropdown, and click the guess button to register the first guess quickly. Type card is green for Inception, and Inception is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the up arrow means the target is newer than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 with the down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.8. Overlapping genre is action only, adventure and sci-fi are not on the target. No actor overlaps are highlighted among Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Elliot Page, and no director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 2010, rated a bit lower than 8.8, includes action, and does not include the shown cast or Nolan. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The last feedback says newer than 2010, rating slightly lower than 8.8, and action overlaps while adventure and sci-fi do not, so I want an action movie after 2010 with a lower rating and less sci-fi emphasis. The Avengers is a fast high-signal probe for action overlap, mainstream cast and director overlap, and a year close to the lower bound. I am selecting it from the dropdown and clicking guess to complete the full guess cycle. Type card is green for Avengers, Infinity War, and Avengers. Infinity War is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is further with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2018. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.4. Overlapping genres: action is green, adventure and sci-fi are not on the target. No actors overlap among Robert Downey Jr., Chris Hemsworth, and Mark Ruffalo, and no directors overlap for Anthony Russo or Joe Russo. Constraints: the target is a movie released after 2018, rated a bit below 8.4, includes action, and does not include those Marvel cast/directors. Avoid repeating Avengers, Infinity War. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback row shows the target is newer than 2018, as a rating slightly lower than 8.4 and overlaps only on action, with no adventure or sci-fi and no Marvel cast or Russo directors. Wrath of Man is a focused action-only post-2018 movie with a plausible rating band, which should test your closeness and maybe reveal more useful actor or director overlap. I am selecting it from the dropdown and clicking guess to submit properly. Type card is green for The Grapes of Wrath, and The Grapes of Wrath is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1940. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is slightly higher than 8.1. Overlapping genres: drama is green. No actors overlap among Henry Fonda, Jane Darwell, and John Carradine, and no director overlap for John Ford. Constraints: the target is a movie, later than 1940, rated a bit above 8.1, includes drama, and does not include those cast or director names. Avoid repeating The Grapes of Wrath. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The visible latest row for The Grapes of Wrath shows the target is newer than 1940, rating slightly higher than 8.1, and has drama overlap. Combining prior rows also suggests action overlap, so a recent action drama movie with strong rating is a good probe. Oppenheimer is a recent highly rated drama with some action elements and a distinctive cast/director profile that can reveal sharper overlap signals. I'm selecting it from the dropdown and clicking guess to register the next guess. Type card is green for Oppenheimer, and Oppenheimer is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is within 2 with the down arrow, so the target is slightly older than 2023. Rating is within 0.5 with the down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.3. Overlapping genres: drama is green, biography and history are not on a target. No actors overlap among Cillian Murphy, Emily Blunt, and Matt Damon, and no director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints: the target is a movie, likely from 2021 or 2022, rated a bit below 8.3, includes drama, and does not include those cast or director names. Avoid repeating Oppenheimer. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest visible feedback row says year is within 2 and older than 2023, rating is within 0.5 and lower than 8.3, and drama overlaps while biography and history do not, so the target is likely a 2021 or 2022 drama movie. To break the loop and use the year constraints directly, I am browsing by year only and selecting a 2022 candidate from the dropdown, then clicking guess to submit. Type card is red for The Patient, and The Patient is a TV series, so target medium equals movie. Year is within 2 with the down arrow, so the target is slightly older than 2022. Rating is within 0.5 with the down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 7.0. Overlapping genres: drama is green, thriller is not on the target. Visible actors Steve Carell, Domhnall Gleeson, and Linda Inman do not appear highlighted, and the director's area is obscured by the poster modal, so no director overlap is visible. Constraints: the target is a movie, likely from 2020 or 2021, rated roughly 6.5 to 6.9, includes drama, and does not include thriller based on this row. Avoid repeating The Patient. Type card is red on the latest row, so the guess was a TV series and target medium equals movie. The screenshot shows year green at 2022 and rating up from 7, with drama overlap and thriller not overlapping, so the target is a 2022 movie rated higher than 7.0 and includes drama. I'm closing the poster if needed, then trying the Fablemans because it is a 2022 drama movie in the right rating band and can reveal cast or director overlap. This batch ends with selecting the drop-down row and clicking guess. Type card is red on the newest row, so the last guess will a TV series and target medium equals movie. The latest feedback clearly shows year green at 2022 and rating up from 7, while open here shows the target is older than 2023 and lower than 8.3, so the answer is a 2022 movie with rating between about 7.1 and 8.2. Drama overlaps and thriller does not. Tar is a strong 2022 drama movie in exactly that rating band and should sharpen cast or director overlap. I'm selecting it from the dropdown and clicking guess to submit. Type card is green for Star Wars, Episode V The Empire Strikes Back, and Star Wars, Episode V The Empire Strikes Back is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is further with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1980. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.7. Overlapping genres, action is green, adventure and fantasy are not on the target. No actors overlap among Mark Hamill, Harrison Ford, and Carrie Fisher, and no director overlap for Irvin Kershner. Constraints: the target is a movie, newer than 1980, rated a bit below 8.7, includes action, and does not include adventure or fantasy or those cast/director names. Avoid repeating Star Wars, Episode V The Empire Strikes Back. Type card is red on the patient, so the guess was a TV series and target medium equals movie. The visible strongest constraints are year exactly 2022 from the patient, action overlap from Star Wars and prior drama overlap from other rows with target rating above 7.0 and below about 8.3. Top Gun Maverick is a 2022 action drama movie in that rating band and is a strong candidate or at least a high-value probe for cast and director overlap. I'm selecting it from the dropdown and clicking guess to submit. Got it in 7 guesses. The answer was Top Gun Maverick. The big tells were that it was confirmed as a movie, then the year locked to 2022 and the rating narrowed right around 8.2, with action and drama fitting perfectly. Once those clues lined up, it came together fast.